Is it possible to make 20,000 using supply and demand? In this video, I'm gonna show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video because there will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys the settings for the candles. So I'm using 1 minute Japanese candle, not the bars, not Aikenashi, none of that. 1 minute, not 30 seconds, 1 minute for this trading video, okay? Then we're gonna come over here and we're going to set this. We're not going to use the standard timer. Alright, the standard timer you can change it to 3, 5 and stuff like that. When you set it, that's what you get. Now we're going to use the flag mode and we're going to select 1 minute. Make sure that this side here is on 0, 0, 0. Nothing's supposed to be here, not 0.1 or 1.0, nothing. After that, you just click on the side here and yeah, that's the settings for the timer and the candles. Let's find some beautiful opportunity. Oh, nice. Beautiful. So let me mark this up for you guys real quick. Let me zoom in on it. Now, this trade. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, the price is rejecting from our area. Beautiful. Nicely done. Nicely. Yes, guys. So basically, this was a demand area. And I waited for the price to come down and I took that opportunity. Magnificent. Nice. Nicely done. Nicely done. So the price came into my demand area. Let me see something. So we are going against the trend, but this demand area is very strong. So let's see what's going to happen here. If I lose this trade, I will technically be losing like $200 or so. So it's no big deal because I started with 2,000. But let's see what's going to happen. Because it's best, guys, to always go with the trend. When you go against the trend, it's a high chance you can lose a trend. Okay? You have to understand this. And see, right now I'm losing a trade because I went against the trend. If you pay attention, there's a drop-based drop here. And there was 1, 2, 3 drop-based drop here. So this is very strong trend. See that? Nice. Yeah, this is a very, very good entry because the candle went deep into the entry, guys. I'm gonna mark this very sharply. Nice. Because you see one thing about me, guys, when I'm trading, I like accuracy. See what I'm saying? I like sharpness, and that's what I teach in my mentorship also. I go behind the scenes of this strategy, guys, in my mentorship. All the students in the mentorship, they know this strategy inside and out. See what I'm saying? The thing is that I can't explain everything in a YouTube video, and I need you guys to understand that, right? I try my best to give so much knowledge in a short space of time. You see, my videos are like 10 minutes, so I can't share a lot of stuff in that. And that's the reason why I created the mentorship. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you something real quick. You realize that the previous candle right here, it created a higher high. You notice how high this high is? It defeats this higher high, right? So that let me know buyers are in the market. Then we are at the demand area, right, which is our setup, and we combine that with it and see what's happening. The trade is rejecting. It's very simple, guys, to trade it. I'm being honest, it's so easy. See that? No. Nice. Damn. That one came up very gently, guys. When something is trying to tease something, like, it's trying to tease the level. It came up very nicely, guys. Check how sharp this is, guys. Look at this for yourself, guys. This is so amazing. I honestly love trading. I'm not gonna lie, I love trading very, very much. I think that to become very profitable, you have to love trading. You can't just think about making money. You have to really think about learning. You know, when you find yourself very passionate about learning, you will realize that you become profitable very quickly. That's one of the main thing a lot of persons don't know. Nice. Ooh, I almost missed that trade, guys. I was rushing because I have about 3 alarms going off. I was rushing to reach this trade. Let me mark it for those who are new to the channel, because a lot of persons are new and sometimes they don't understand like the whole up, like the trade already end. My bad. Let's find a next opportunity. Alright guys, look how smart this is. I'm gonna show you something, right? We all know that engulfing candles, when we see them, they are going in the upward direction, right? I mean the bullish engulf, right? The bearish is going down. But check this out. It's a supply, it's an engulf, it's going up, right? No, we wait for it to came into the supply area and we took that. So you see how combining reasons help you too, right? When you know a lot of stuff, you can combine them very easily, guys. Very, very easily. I don't know what to say, but this trade is very beautiful. Just very I don't know, just very satisfying. I'm a little bit speechless right now, to be honest. I'm just enjoying my own session, to be honest. Okay. I'm going against a trend, not recommended, but I didn't realize. I was just here searching, guys. I set so many alarms and they weren't going off. So I'm like, I was in a, you know, I was impatient right here, which is not good. Impatience can make you lose trades, guys, because you won't pay attention. You will be rushing. And that's what happened to me. But it turns out to be a win, which is fantastic, but it's not recommended. Always be patient. Do not rush your trades. If you don't, yeah. One came down a little bit fast. I see a lot of rejection in this market, so this is telling me a lot right here. Okay. Whenever we see rejection in the market, we want a deeper, we can be more confident in our trading analysis when it comes down to supply and demand. Beautiful. Okay. So this will be, I think, my final trade. Let's see what's gonna happen here, because I think I already reached my target for the day. I hope greediness doesn't make me lose this trade. Let's evaluate this. Okay, I'm kind of going against trend also, guys. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Alright. Yes, guys. So the reason why I took this trade, because I see this demand here, and this was a engulfing candle, and it's a hammer candle. And remember that hammers are a sign of reversal, cool? And if it's going up, that means the price might try to reverse in the opposite direction, which is down. Then I see the demand area, supply area, I should say, and I take opportunity of that. Beautiful. If you're looking for consistent wins in your trading sessions, this mentorship can help you achieve that. If you're ready to invest in yourself and you're ready to be profitable, use the link in description to apply for a mentorship. This will be the end of the video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.